Today I'm going to be doing a short video of what to do with one of the products from my range, and it is the Kung Pao sauce. It comes as a bundle, it's for 2 people, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So here we have it, everything you'll receive minus the salt and pepper and the spring onions in your bundle kit. We've got our rice noodles, so here is about 100 grams. You get a whopping 260 grams of the peeled king prawns. And the best till last is the Kung Pao sauce. It's full of umami. It's very similar to a teriyaki, except it's a bit spicier. But it's delicious, it's Moorish, and this does wonders for 2 people as a home cooked meal. So, quick tip guys, with your rice noodles, give these a soaking in cold water about an hour before you intend to cook your meal. Just wash off the starch, it will loosen up the noodle and it will just really reduce that cooking time. Hot pan, in goes your oil, a bit of salt and pepper on the prawns, give them a quick toss. Get those straight into your hot pan. You can hear it already, it's fizzling away. Like so. Touch more of salt and pepper. All you're looking for is to get some nice colour on those prawns. Keep moving them about so you get a nice even cook. You don't need to cook them all the way because that sauce is going to go in and it's going to keep cooking further. So now we've got some colour on those prawns, we're going to go straight in with our Kung Pao sauce. And it's got all the vegetables you need, so you don't have to worry about adding anything. So you've got your ginger, you've got your garlic, you've got your peppers, it's all in there. So give it a little mix. And then you're going to go in with the noodles. So here we have it, end result, Kung Pao, 10 minutes, easy. Grab your bundle, get cooking.